Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making dotted silhouettes. To start, make one tape loop and stick it on your template. Flip your template over and stick it down to your piece of construction paper. Using different sizes of foam daubers and different colors of paint, make paint circles all the way around your template to the edge of the page. Try to fill up most of the page with paint. When you're done, let the paint dry for at least an hour. Overnight is best. When it's dry, remove the template and your dotted silhouette is done.